Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing batteries or unplugging the cable. This prevents shorting while you work. Once done, use a Torx T8 to remove the hidden center screw under the battery sticker and then Phillips screws around the shell. Make sure to keep screws organized by location so reassembly is straightforward. You'll pry the halves gently with a plastic spudger to avoid marring the plastic. This exposes the trigger assembly and ribbon cables for the next steps. You'll lift the main board slightly to reach the trigger pots and micro switches, disconnect the small ribbon cable, and note orientation to reconnect later. Once exposed, remove the trigger modules by releasing the retaining clips and sliding out cams and springs. Replace with identical parts to preserve travel and resistance. Make sure actuator ramps sit flush in their grooves, and reinstall return springs so triggers return smoothly. If you're replacing potentiometers, align the wiper correctly to avoid dead zones. You reassemble by seating the circuit board, reconnecting the ribbon cable, and snapping the shell halves together while verifying no wires are pinched. Tighten screws evenly and avoid over-torquing, which can warp the case. Reinsert batteries or plug-in, then test trigger travel in the Xbox guide and a game to confirm full range and responsiveness. If triggers bind, show drift, or don't register, open it again to reseat connectors. Clean contact surfaces with isopropyl alcohol, or verify the replacement parts match the originals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.